Village Homeowners Association, bakit ito po yung napiling training venues po ng ating mga atleta compared to the other, other training venues po?
Unang-una po yung po the motivation and hospitality po ng officers ng mga owners. Pangalawa po, they were referred by the barangay captain, and they were also referred by the office of the mayor. And second, another thing is yung kung tanggap po nila yung roller skates sa court nila. At okay naman sa mga player yung court nila, kaya swap po tayo. So it's really mutual admiration.
Filmana.